Fuel manufacturing underpins Europe's energy security, defense readiness, and economic resilience. Every day, it enables transport, industry, and emergency response, and provides essential industrial feedstocks. Liquid and gaseous fuels still supply over half of global final energy demand. Even under accelerated decarbonization, they will continue to play a major role. In the EU, fuel demand will decline, but it will not disappear. For some uses, alternatives are not available or not yet viable. Aviation, maritime and heavy-duty road transport, petrochemicals, and other hard-to-electrify sectors still depend on liquid fuels. This is not about resisting change. It is about physics, energy density, storability, transportability, and reliability. That is why fuel manufacturing is deeply integrated into Europe's industrial value chains. When refining weakens, entire value chains weaken with it. Once a refinery closes, it cannot be replaced at comparable cost or speed. The question is not whether Europe will still need fuels and industrial feedstocks. It will. The question is whether Europe will produce them while transforming or increasingly rely on imports. Refining operates in a global, highly competitive market. Competitiveness is not optional. It is the condition for both survival and transformation. Without viable economics, investment stalls. And without investment, transformation stops. Converting existing refining assets into biorefineries and low-carbon fuel production sites is a strategic imperative. It is the most cost-efficient way to scale sustainable fuels. Closing manufacturing sites before they convert does not accelerate the transition, it undermines it. Europe cannot afford to lose the very assets that make a credible transition possible. Competitiveness is not an alternative to transition, it is its foundation.